till 6, what would you do? Okay. Obviously, if you have a day job, you can't monitor your trades the whole time, unless you're not doing your day job properly. So it's advisable to put a trade on with a stop loss order and a take profit order in place. I mean, leaving a trade on and not being able to monitor it without these brackets either side is very, very dangerous. So you have to have an idea before you get into the trade what you want to do and know where your risk is and where your potential profit is. Actually, it can help sometimes, because if you're in a position where you don't have a day job, so you can just sit there and trade all day, you get very wrapped up into that trading and you get very pulled into it emotionally. So if you put a trade on and you're watching it every second, you can find that your decisions are trading whilst that position's open, you can find that your decisions are changing whilst that position's open. So you may have decided, when it gets to this profit, when it gets to a profit of 50 pips, I'm going to close my trade. But then you see that it's making you money and you feel, oh, I'm making money. So you end up closing it at 20 pips. So you haven't stuck to your initial plan. Or you could see that you're losing and you think, well, actually, no, I think that I'm losing now, but it's going to turn. It's definitely going to turn. And so you move your stop loss further away and you risk more than you initially planned. So it's very dangerous actually sitting there and watching your trade. So actually just putting a trade on a strategy, on a plan that you have based on real things, not an emotion, placing the stop loss, placing the take profit order, and just walking away can be a much better way of trading without getting the psychological element walking into it. So it can help you that you don't have access to the markets all day. The other way as well is if you buy an option, you don't have to worry about the stop loss. So you just know you put your fee up front. If you expect a currency pair to go up, you can pay for an option, you pay a certain amount, and that is the maximum amount that you can potentially lose. So you've already got that covered with no stop loss. So there are a few different things that you can do there.